forever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it right now. We only need the two of us together. I need only you in this crazy world. 'Cause we got love, love. I need only you here with me. You wanna get close to me? Why don't you do it right now? You know we met for a reason, but you're trying to deny that we should be together. It's heavy weather, we're heading for tonight. You better take what you can, 'cause the time is right now. We only need the two of us. We better stick together, let's come whatever. We're not coming home tonight. We're living quick in the wild, gotta get it.
Hello emotions, hello again. As every ocean come as rain, I know my circles, I know my name. Another sequel is on the way. Oh, closing circles, we got no end. Another sequel about to land. Oh, oh, my love, reform and rise to be so free. In time we seize infinity. Hello, my heart beats, hello again. Between the worries, we head for land. I will be fighting to hold the line. We're never hiding, we never lie. And I'll be coming home, and you'll be going strong. And I know there is a reason. Now we're ready to be whole. Yeah, ready to be whole. And I'll be coming home, and you'll be going strong. My love to the end of a one-way street. Wish I could wake up, but it's not a dream. Staring at the wall right in front of me. Whoa, whoa, need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care. Whoa, I keep asking why? You're still on my mind. It's been like a year since we're together. I should really feel a whole lot better. I keep asking why? I have really tried. All these sleepless nights I counted hours. Try to move on but I lost my powers. I keep asking why. Now I'm asking why. Tell me, do I ever cross your mind? Maybe what we had is so hard to find. Wish I could go back, turn the hands of time. Whoa, need to get away, I can stay right here. Every day I'm wishing that you were near. I cannot pretend that I do not care.